Welcome back to Strike Victor, the sky where legends are born and futures are forged. Today, our eyes rise eastward, to a nation not often in the headlines, but always watching the skies, Bangladesh. In 2026, the roar of change is echoing across South Asia. The question is no longer, can they defend? It's now, how high will they fly? Bangladesh, a nation of rivers and resilience, is rewriting its air power narrative. And it all begins with the MiG-29 Fulcrum, the jet that once dominated Cold War skies, now reborn in Dhaka's arsenal. Graded, recalibrated, reignited, fitted with advanced radar, modern missiles, and more precise avionics. This isn't the same MiG-29 of the 90s. This is Bangladesh's new air guardian. But this isn't where the story ends. It's where the story begins. Behind closed doors, Dhaka is planning ahead. They know the future belongs to those who move now: stealth, speed, and smart warfare. Enter the contenders, the JF-17 Thunder, a joint marvel from China and Pakistan. Fast, affordable, deadly. Or perhaps Turkish drones, the famed Bayraktar TB2S, rewriting the rules of air dominance. There are whispers, there are meetings, and the skies are listening. 2026 isn't just another year for Bangladesh's Air Force. It's a transition from limited legacy to focused firepower. And while others invest in quantity, Bangladesh is choosing quality, versatility, and regional balance. Each jet, each radar sweep, and each engine roar is a statement. We're ready now. The strategy is clear. Maintain sovereignty. Monitor maritime skies. Prepare for fast strike scenarios. All while building stronger defense ties with trusted partners across Asia and the Middle East. But at the heart of this power is something more profound: pride. Pride in a force that flies not just to fight, but to protect. Pride in pilots who train not just for today, but for the uncertainty of tomorrow. And this isn't a story written in fantasy. It's happening now. Modernized bases, better maintenance chains, and indigenous tech ambitions are transforming Bangladesh into a regional player with punch. So the next time you hear jets slicing through the clouds over Dhaka, Chattogram, or Sylhet, don't just look up, listen. That sound? It's the future arriving. This is Strike Victor. This is Bangladesh 2026. And the sky has never felt closer. Subscribe for more rising powers, forgotten warriors, and the thunder of tomorrow's wings.